Alright, in this video I'm just going to go over quick tech tips on how I changed the sprocket and just some problems I found running into trying to do this on this KTM dirt bike. First, let me just say Torx heads are crazy to use. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Alright, so here's what happened earlier with me trying to loosen these. You can see that this was a cheaper, made in Taiwan Torx bit. I tried to use it and ended up breaking or snapping the head off in the bolt. Luckily it fell out, so I had to make a quick trip to Lowe's, pick up some Craftsman Torx bits. I'm hoping that the Craftsman are actually better quality and better steel and this doesn't happen again. But another thing I found is it's a 13 millimeter nut on the back side, box in 13 fits, and what I've been doing is I hold it on to the bolt and then I ended up breaking it loose like that. Basically, dead blow hammer, box in 13-inch wrench is what I've needed. Another thing that I went to Lowe's and I picked up is PB Blaster penetrating fluid. I didn't know how long they'd been on there. With water, dirt bike, I thought, okay, let me get some penetrating fluid and try and use as well. Alright, this is a 48 tooth sprocket. I'm actually going to go to a 50 tooth because I plan on doing more woods riding than MX, and this is all new to me anyway, so I'm hoping to have more grunt pulling power with the 50 tooth sprocket. In order to complete it though, I still will need to pull the rear wheel. But anyway, this is a quick tech tip. If the bolts are too high on a KTM, especially with these Torx heads, you don't want to break them. I mean, it's just stupid to have them there. Torx heads do not belong on dirt bikes.